Hey guys, welcome back. This video is about the weekly outlook for EU and GU and how the DXY is going to play out this whole week. So I'm going to make this video every week end so that you guys get the best out of it. Let me know if you guys like these kind of videos. So let's jump in straight away. So as you guys know, on the yearly chart, we already have a turtle soup on the yearly. If you guys don't know, please do check this out. We do have a yearly tiers, a turtle soup on DXY, on Euro, and on GU. But have you guys noticed on the SMT? There is an SMT as well over here. Look at this. This is an SMT on the yearly. So I'm making it orange so that you'll get to know this is on the yearly. Look at the SMT here. And voila, look at the SMT here. So GU and EU went past 2022 high, and dollar is still finding it difficult to make it above this. So at the moment, we do have an SMT. So the those of you who are worrying about the dollar going to hit the, I don't know, going down and worried about the dollar, you guys can see that we do have an SMT in CRT terms or in trading terms, in basically in general. So let's wait and watch if that's going to play out. And let's come to the monthly. The monthly, as you guys know that we do have, this is the candle range. This is the candle range. So what do you think this year is going to be? This year, this year candle. So what do you think? Either we are going to see a ranging year, maybe range like this, and then maybe do one more time, go up, take all the liquidity and come down this way. I'm expecting, this is what I'm expecting for 2026. Or it's going to be a straight up down. It's already taken the liquidity above. It's going to be like this, and straight boom goes to the CRT low. It all depends on what kind of a news plays out this year, and in correlation to gold and the dollar. Let's find out how it plays out, as we are still in Q1 at the moment. So we got to wait for Q2 to begin to find out. So at the moment for this week, monthly, I'm still not satisfied. I still feel we need to go up a little bit. I feel like we still need to go up and then, and then make a market structure shift. Well, let's find out if that's going to play out. So on the weekly, as you guys can see, we have all closed above. We have all closed above. Look at this. It's closed above. It is closed above. And it's closed above. So what do you guys see? Like, we have closed above, but we also have an FEG down below here, which is one of the key levels which is required for us. So watch out for this FEG to be played out this week. I feel either of the assets should come down and play at least to the 50% of this FEG and reverse it back. So I'm expecting that way. Let's go to the daily. Yes, look at the daily. GU still having inside bars. GU still having inside bars. Yet to break inside. But EU has already, I think it's already broken. Yeah, so we have already broken on the EU. And it has finished below. And DXY is yet to go down. So interesting week ahead. and yeah, this is the reason why we avoid Monday, because we still need to find out one candle needs to soup and give us the order block, and then the next day it has to give us the OTE, and then push to the 50%, and then maybe to the CRT high. So this is what I am looking for this whole week. Let's see how this plays out, because you already have a key level over here. We are all having a key level, which is the weekly, which is more higher than the daily. So I'm expecting either of the assets to at least come touch inside this key level, or at least till the 50% of the range, or maybe one asset goes to the 50% and the other doesn't. So watch out. And then watch out for the lower time frame entry, maybe on the 15 minutes or the 5 minutes, for a beautiful, 10 to 15 pip RR. That's what I'm eyeing for. Something like this on the 5 minutes, maybe even less than that, 10 pip stop loss maybe, and then maybe till the 50%, or maybe till the CRT high. And look at this, you get a crazy risk to reward. If you can get that entry, you are all set for this week or even for a month. So watch out for that. It's definitely playing out, and yeah, I'm waiting for that. And let's look at the 4 hour. Yeah, look at the 4 hour. It's all pointing down. It's all close below, close below. You can still expect. I'm sure we need to swoop below. We need to swoop below to go up with an order block confirmation. Make sure you see the order block confirmation. If there's no order block confirmation, then we are not going up. Make sure you start from the daily and come to the 4 hour, and then come to the 15 minutes. Lower down your time frames to find out the best order block entry to, get that perfect weekly candle. It's like, how do I say? It's like, let's say this is a candle. Let's say this is a weekly candle, and you're on 4 hours. And let's say this is a week. Okay. So I'm expecting something like this. It's like you come down, maybe come down like this on a Tuesday. Maybe on Tuesday or Wednesday, you come down, the candle will be this way. This is how the candle should look like if it has to go up. And then maybe on Wednesday or Thursday, you might have a candle like this, which had like wick down below like this, like a crazy wick below. I'm sorry, my drawing is a little bad, but I hope you get my idea, right? It's like it wicks down, comes down, comes down, comes down, comes down. Maybe on a Tuesday or a Wednesday. High probability is on a Tuesday, like how Romeo says. We might get that entry and then push up. So that's how this is how the wick will be on a Wednesday or a Thursday for the weekly candle. So watch out how that plays. This is exactly what I'm looking for. And if you don't get that perfect OB over here, then you know what's going to happen. It's going to be 1 week. Maybe this week it should be a candle closing this way with a small wick below, with a small, maybe a wick below this way. And maybe the next week it'll, give you that OT and push up with a small OT entry here. You get it, right? So watch out for this. This is exactly what I'm looking for. And I believe it's going to be a slow week for the first month, because it's the first month of Feb. Usually it is the second and third week, and you guys know when the monthly low and high forms. If you guys don't know when the monthly and high and low forms, let me know in comments. I will make a video on that so that you will get an idea when the market makes the low of or high of the month. So that will give you a much confident direction for you to play for the month or for the week. So yeah, that's my weekly outlook, guys. Do let me know what kind of topics you want me to cover. I will cover as much as possible, and I'll make sure that you guys feel good about trading and be confident in taking those trades using CRT, because CRT has totally changed the way we look into the markets. All thanks to Romeo. My full credit goes to the Romeo. So yeah, guys, do let me know in comments what kind of a video you like to do watch from my side. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you found a bit valuable in this video. If so, please let me know. Give me a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. Trade safe. Stay safe. Bye bye.